Hi, I'm Tony Bate with BWGS. We're here today at the Sunleaves production facility to take a closer look at all our natural fertilizers and see exactly how the goes down, literally. As one of the largest importers by volume in the United States, we strive to be ecologically responsible and environmentally conscious in both our offerings and our everyday operations. That's why our number 2 has been number 1 for well over 20 years. We source our natural fertilizers from all over the world. We bring them on a raw material into the Sunleaves production facility by the container load, where it is tested by a third party. We perform a lab analysis several times on each fertilizer to ensure its quality. Each container is batch coded to ensure compliance of labeling regulations as set forth by APFCO, the Association of American Plant Food Control Officials. I work closely with APFCO, which governs the labeling of all fertilizers and soil amendments in the U.S. Our goal is to adhere to all regulations so all our products are safe, effective, and compliant. You can be assured that what's on the label is in the product. We then process the fertilizers into our retail-friendly, black, reusable pails, buckets, and totes. We then ship our fertilizers to retail hydro stores and garden centers nationwide for sale to consumers. Let's take a closer look at our natural fertilizers. First off, we have Sumatran. The NPK is 831, it's high in nitrogen, and it's used in the vegetative phase of the plant cycle. Here's our Indonesian natural fertilizer, which is high in phosphorus. Its NPK is 070. It can be used during the flowering or budding stage of the plant cycle. Also, we have Jamaican natural fertilizer. It's also high in phosphorus with an NPK of 010. It's also used during the flowering and budding phase of the plant cycle. Madagascan is yet another high phosphorus natural fertilizer whose NPK is 013, and it's also used during the flowering or budding phase of the plant cycle. We also have our Peruvian seabird natural fertilizers, which are high in nitrogen and phosphorus. The NPK is 1211-2, and is good for all phases of the plant cycle. We have the Peruvian in powdered form and pelletized form. Peruvian powdered form makes for a quicker uptake to the plant and also makes it easier for your customized guano tea. The pelletized form is best for a slow release fertilizer application. For a watering feed, for all our natural fertilizers, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon of water and apply directly around the base of each plant. Fertilize every 1 to 3 days depending on the size and age of the plants. For very small or young plants, reduce the concentration by half. To use as a top dressing, sprinkle 1/2 to 1 tablespoon per gallon of soil around the base of each plant. Fertilize every 3 to 5 days. Once again, for young or small plants, reduce this concentration by half. Whether you're using our Sunleaves natural fertilizers as a top dressing or watering feed on your plants, or mixing up your customized guano tea, Sunleaves has the right natural fertilizer for you. Stick with the tried and true, Sunleaves, the natural choice, sold exclusively through BWGS. To learn more about our natural fertilizer feeding regimen, visit us at sunleaves.com.